This video tutorial explains to you how to open a second account on FBS. Right, so what you need to do is you need to log into your FBS dashboard. So please pause the video. Please go and do that now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now, if you can't see this section over here, just refresh your page. Or click on one of the top icons and then go back to your dashboard. And then where you've got this little drop down menu, you can just click on the drop down menu over there, and then you can click on the add new account icon. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. I always tell you to open up a live account rather than a demo account, because you need to get your trading psychology right. So over here you can just click on real, and then you can choose which account that you want to operate on. Now, standard accounts is for people that have got capital of more than $30,000. They understand how to hedge trade, and they are for this account is for experienced traders. So I would recommend that you open that up only if you have $30,000 plus. I don't use the pro account. FBS says it's for EA trades. For if you use an EA, I don't like this account either. I prefer opening a Cent account. So you can just click on the open Cent account, and then I would always choose MT4 and then the leverage of 1 to 1,000, and then you click on open account. So please pause the video. Please go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now, you'll be emailed the information, but I highly recommend that you do save all this information over here, because you're going to need it to be able to log into your account and connect your account to your MetaTrader 4 and to your VPS. So that's how you open an account. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos. Also, it helps the YouTube algorithm send you videos that you're interested in, and also you'll also be notified when I have new videos that I've come out with. So subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and then I'll see you in my next video.